Hey, you guys,
Hello.
how are you?
How's everybody?
We're good. Are you guys good?
It's that time of the month. We're getting
I
our
know.
order, and it came really quick. Boy, it's so nice.
Yeah,
Especially when you're running low on stuff.
definitely.
We use the product, and when we share the product, that's because we use the product, and
Yeah.
we're able to share information about the use of the products, the oils, the nutrition, the collagen, all that stuff, the hair products.
All of it.
So.
Okay,
Anyway,
we'll
so
start with you.
this
You've got
month,
more stuff than I do.
This
Well,
month I really ran low on a few things, but what I did is I did the LLV, and that LLV comes with these two plus the omegas. Okay, and then when you get that part, you could add on 3 items at a reduced price. So I was running low on TerraZyme. TerraZyme is so good for you in breaking down the elements in the food so that you could digest it a little bit better and it goes into your system a little quicker. It's so good to have, especially after a heavy meal, or if you go out and eat steak, or just have a lot of food. And I take these, sometimes I take these twice a day. So those are really, really good to have on hand. Also on that discount, I like to use the LLV because in that particular situation, you could buy the Biome Duo, which is the PB Restore and the PB Assist Plus, or the sticks, Pixie sticks.
Yep.
Otherwise, you have to buy them separate, and they're a little bit more money. So I like to do that route because I use the Pixie Sticks in my shakes, and then I'll take one of these PB Restores in the evening or after my evening meal. And also, I try to have an extra one on hand so I can take it to my mother, because she's also taking that. So I have that. And then I purchased the deodorant. This one I switched back to the Balance because I have the citrus orange or something
like Greek orange.
Greek orange,
Yeah.
and so I'm running low, and so I said I'm going to go back to the Balance one and
Switch off.
Yeah. And that's really good too to have on hand. It's just a good deodorant. It has a lot of less impurities than
It
others.
doesn't have any.
And then I always try to add on the MetaPower Advantage, which is the collagen. And I like the pomegranate cherry flavor. And I take this every day. And the collagen that we have with doTERRA has 9 peptides. Most of the box stores and stuff have 1 or 2, and they're mostly land or beef. This is all, or mostly all, marine life, which is really better for you.
Yep.
So that's that. And then I got the chance of using some of our bonus points. I use the Root to Tip serum probably 3 times a week, sometimes 2, because I've made a blend of my own that I use every day for my hair. And so
It's so pretty.
And it really helps to keep the scalp moisture, so it doesn't flake as much. It's really good. Your hair follicles will love you, and that's just a great thing to have on hand. And because I don't use it a lot, I don't order it a lot, but hey, it's good stuff to have.
Yep.
I also got a bonus with our bonus points, dollars wise. I ran low, or I'm running low, on the MetaPower Recharge. The Recharge, or the Electrolytes. This stuff is really good. Compared to others out there, this is on the top, one of the top. And so there's 2 packages. And this one here is, like I said, it's a wild strawberry flavor. I like this one the best. So now that it's getting warmer and hotter, you need to keep hydrated, and so that's good to have on hand.
Yeah.
Also, I wanted to get, and I got it at a bonus point because it is expensive, the VMG Plus, and this is the little pouches that you could put in your shake. It has your vitamins, your greens. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, it's clean, it's non-GMO. It's just really good. So I use this once in a while. Don't use it all the time. If we're traveling or if I'm in a rush to go to work or to do something, I'll throw it into my shake, shake it up real quick and drink it with my shake. And I'm good for hours, even the whole day if I need to with this.
Yeah,
So
actually you can get away with just doing one of those a day. It's pretty good.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, my turn. I didn't get a whole lot this time because I had some kind of backup stuff, so thank goodness for that. So first of all, I got some of the MetaPower Recharge as well. I have a tendency to have really dry skin, and I don't drink as much as I should. And this really helps me to stay hydrated, like Leon said, especially now that temperatures are getting warmer. Today it's supposed to be 94 here because it gets really hot here in the summer, really hot. So Recharge, and this is a 30, you've got 2 boxes with, so it's a 30-day supply in this, and it's so well worth it. And then another thing that I've been doing, because citrus oils in your water are super, super beneficial to your health. They are cleansers. So you've got to use a metal bottle or a glass bottle. So I've been doing about 16 ounces because I like the flavor of this. So I sometimes I'll do more, but I like doing it in just 16 ounces. I use one of these, and I've been putting about 6 to 8 drops of wild orange in with that. Oh my gosh, it is so good, delicious. You can use lemon, lime, wild orange, any of those citrus oils. Yeah, tangerine is good too. Yep, I've used.
Yeah, grapefruit. It's all good stuff.
Yeah, all of
so
those.
You can kind of change it up if you want.
Yeah. So that's just another way to get hydrated and help cleanse at the same time. Okay, so then I ran out of these little, I think I did, I might still have a couple, these little PB Assist Plus sticks. These are those little tiny granules, and I just rip off the top of it and pour it on my tongue, and it's yummy, and it's like a pixie stick. I've said that before. This is your probiotics, your prebiotics, and your postbiotics, all in these little tiny sachets. Kids love them.
I know.
And gut health is so important. So when we can do things that helps sustain a healthy gut, this is the easiest way, and it's good for you. They always source things properly without all the garbage. So these are really, really good to have.
They're so good. Like you said, your gut area is a second brain, and it takes care of your body if you take care of it.
You bet. Then I got a couple of body washes because I love these and I use it every day. You can put a pump on this, but I don't. It just has a flip lid, and I love the scent of it, and it's just refreshing.
It leaves your skin really fresh.
It does.
I don't use it all the time, but when I use it, it's just really refreshing.
Yep. And then we are getting really low on the On Guard hand wash, and getting the 2-pack is a little bit cheaper, and it's just handy because we go through it. So.
And it's in a pump. You put it in a pump, and it lasts a long time. But when you wash your hands a lot, and you have, your different bathrooms, the kitchen, areas, you use it, and it sanitizes really well, and it's better for you than some of the other stuff that you can get out there.
Definitely. And you can actually get the little pump bottles in your back office, in their shop area. You can look, I think it's under accessories, so check there. So I got two of those. All right, and then I bought I got a cardamom. I love cardamom, and I get sinusy garbage all the time, so I'll usually I am almost totally out of this. I thought I had an extra one. I usually just tip the bottle and put it on my toes because that's where your sinus reflexes are, or I just tip it and then just put a little bit here, and it really helps open things up. Especially I like it at night.
Yeah.
I like to use Breathe, especially the roller one. I do the same, but it's got cardamom in it, but it's got your peppermint and other things. And at night, that peppermint, I'm guessing that's what it is, kind of wakes me back up. So if I just use this instead, it seems like I'm going to be able to get to sleep easier.
Cardamom has so many uses, and it's just so good for you. And it's harvested in South America.
I have no idea.
I think it's harvested in South America.
I can't remember. Now you're going to make me want to go look. Okay, then I got 2 bottles of Spikenard.
Oh,
now the reason I got 2 bottles, it's not a very well-known essential oil, and because of that, the sales aren't that great on this, and there's just been a rumor that they might start eliminating some of those oils that don't sell as frequently, and they can't, they just don't. So I'm like, well, if that's the case, I'm getting Spikenard, 2 of them. These little things are, I think, $52 or $54 a bottle. I used points on these, but it's so well worth it. This is really good for wounds. And my favorite part, the emotional part, is this is the oil of gratitude. So if you are thinking life is pretty lousy or whatever, oh my gosh, this will flip your brain really quickly, because we get into those funks, we get into those blaming, we get into those forgetting what we have been so blessed with. So I love this. And if you have an essential oil book of any kind, I highly recommend that you look this little thing up and read all the stuff that it can do, because we're so limited what we can say, especially publicly or on video or anything that can be transferred. We have to be very careful because the FDA, I won't even go into that.
So next month I'm going to get some Spikenard if I can, because I would like to have some on hand too.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's always good to have it on hand.
Definitely. And then the last thing, but not the least, is the product of the month. This little 5 ml bottle of tea tree.
Which is Melaleuca.
Yes, this is the product of the month. So if you place an order, a rewards order of at least 125 PV, and you do that by the 15th of the month, this will just automatically drop into your cart, and you won't be charged for it. This is very good for cleansing. If you've got scrapes or wounds, you can actually buy little bottle tops that are spray bottles that'll fit right on here. And that's just one way to do it. And you can just spritz that right on that rash, any kind of skin stuff going on. This is so cleansing.
When you cut your toenails or fingernails.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Actually, doTERRA is the largest essential oil company, and I'm grateful to represent them because we've used this stuff and it's made a difference in our lives for sure. So anyway, we are gonna sign off. If you are watching on YouTube, please like, subscribe, and share. People love to learn. So when you share these little things, it can help others as well. So we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much. Until next time, see you.
Thank you. Go doTERRA it up.
Bye.